You're seeing is conveying thousands of Hausa, both Mobo and indigenous, back to north, all the way from Akwa Ibom. Can you see them? See the other one. See the other one in front. They have passed not less than 40 luxuriouses with police escort from the north. Look at the police van escort. Look at the luxury. Police escort is conveying them with escort back to north. Look at the way they're warning. All from Akwa Ibom, we'll be monitoring these people. Everybody should be very, very vigilant. Be at alert. Be at alert. Because these people don't know what their aim and objective are. Look at the bus full of Hausa Fulanis inside this luxurious bus. Look at the police escort in front. You will see the pickup now. Everybody should sit up. Igbos, sit up. Yorubas, sit up. Middle belt, sit up. This is not a joke. These people are planning for war. They are telling us to go. Police escort. Can you see them? They are planning war. These people are planning war. I assure you, be very vigilant wherever you are now. Things are not just normal. Thank you. Don't say I did not warn you. Thank you.